Hi, I'm Tresa Johnson, rockstar wife, owner of Amiracle Cleaning. Over the years, I've cleaned multi-million-dollar homes, and the one thing my clients has asked for is me to use green products. After trying store-bought cleaners, I found that they did not do the job, so I decided to turn my kitchen into a lab, and over time I have perfected the line of cleaning products that are safe, natural, and my customers say they even love the smell. There's my all-purpose cleaner, and it cleans and disinfects toilets, tackles grease in the kitchen, and even removes stains from clothes. This is my stainless steel. It looks amazing. The spray cleans and shines, and the more you buff, the shinier it gets. This is my glass cleaner. It works great on glass, mirrors, chrome, and shiny surfaces. It also works as a disinfectant, and my employees spray it on their hands after cleaning houses. This is my dusting spray. Just shake and spray and shine. It's non-greasy to the touch, and you can see the difference right away. It's great for shining and preserve the leather on your furniture and the interior of your car. This is my scrubbing paste. It does like other soft scrubs, and it does even more. It cleans glass stove tops. You just put a little on a dry rag and rub it into the area that needs cleaning. Then you shine with my glass cleaner. This is my scrubbing powder. It works like commercial scrubbing powders, but without killing your skin. You can also sprinkle it in your carpets, and it freshens the smell as well as it freshens the odor in your vacuum. And just 1 teaspoon in your dishwasher, and it cleans your dishes without leaving a residue. You will feel safe using this scrubbing powder. This is my marble and granite cleaner. It is gentle and smells exceptional. To keep your marble surfaces bright and shiny, just spray and wipe with the dry cloth. These products will help keep your home sparkling clean and healthy with these green Amiracle cleaning products.